Hello people, today I'm going to talk about Kerala banana powder, one of the best seller at Tots and Moms Foods. Yes, I'm beginning this series with all our best sellers. I told about sprouted ragi powder, then it was instant ragi and dates and almonds. Now it is Kerala banana powder. And yes, this is a super nutritional powder or mix or cereal that you can call an amazing baby food, because down south in Kerala, this is the first food that is offered to children. This has good amount of fiber, easily digestible this is, and this has double the potassium than general banana, a normal banana. So that is why Kerala banana is given specially for babies. And this has good amount of vitamin B complex, protein and calcium, which is necessary for growing babies. This is a great immunity booster and also aids in healthy weight gain. So you must definitely try this. You have any questions about the product, how to use it, do comment and tell us about it. And there's a small history behind this product. My daughter was just around 6 months when I started solids, and at that time I didn't know the nuances of baby food, etc. I was just another young mom and I was exploring. I was giving ragi regularly because that's how in Karnataka we give first food to children. So regularly it was ragi, and one fine day I was like, how will she eat? Why will she eat when I am eating so many varieties on a daily basis? Why her repeat it on a daily basis? Then I explored the market. I found out all baby food had a lot of chemicals. I mean, baby and chemical became like there is definitely there has to be no relation between these two things. When I got to know that, then I started researching blogs and articles. Yummy Tummy Aarti's blog, I got this Kerala banana powder ka recipe. I was amazed at the benefits it had. And then I went to a nearest Bangalore store and ordered them and to bring me raw Kerala banana. This is how it is made, using raw Kerala banana. And it is made by peeling the skin, sun drying the chips made out of the banana and powdering it. A very simple and natural method it is. And this is naturally creamy, this porridge is. Unlike other big brands, we don't have to add any maltodextrin to thickening agents to make it look creamy and nice. So that's why my baby girl used to like this. And one day I shared it with my friend's children. One of the friends just recommended me starting to sell this. I was already working somewhere and I had no idea that I would do it this day. So this is the history of Kerala banana powder. And few of them have this doubt, can it be given to babies while it is monsoon or winter? Remember, banana is an all-seasonal fruit. So we always recommend eat local, seasonal and fresh. So banana is an all-seasonal fruit, so definitely there is no issue in giving it during monsoon. If at all baby is getting cough or cold, it is because of the change in weather or because she is infected by bacteria or virus, not because of food. And this food, as I was already telling, is an immunity booster by itself. So you do not have to worry. You can continue to feed this all season. And as I was telling, this is a great first food. So after 6 months, you can start this. Yes, why Tots and Moms? At Tots and Moms, we are a certified company running this brand since 7 years. So we are a group of mothers who run this brand and who manage this as well. Even at the factory, we have all women unit. And certification in place. We have ensured that it is hygienically packed. We use the triple layer foil, which is thick enough to ensure that we do not need any preservatives. The natural shelf life of this product is only 8 months, and we believe this is more than sufficient for us to sell this in the market. We don't need it to be years together, lying in a rack and then being picked up by adding lots of preservatives or additives. Yes, if you have any questions regarding this product, please do comment and let us know. Read our reviews on Amazon if you still want to know more about product or how to cook, how to use. It can be found on our blog. All our products are available at shop.totsandmoms.com. It's our own website. You can even purchase them from Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry or Big Basket. It can also be found in your nearest store. If you want to know, please WhatsApp us on 888-444-7337, or you can even give a call. Varsha would be happy to talk to you. Take care, you all. Bye-bye.